Hi, my name is Mrs. Hayes, and I am the first grade teacher for the Cruiser Digital Academy here at Madison Elementary. I am going to be your teacher this year, and I am so excited to meet you. Our first day of school will be on Tuesday, September 8th. And before that, you're going to come to school and pick up a bag of goodies, I like to call it. You're going to get a brown bag that's going to have a lot of stuff in it. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about those things that you're going to get. So inside that bag, you're of course going to get your Chromebook, which is what we're going to do this year for our virtual learning. We're going to use this every day to meet together to learn. When you get home, there's a paper in the middle that tells you how to plug it in and get it ready to go. You also, inside that bag, are going to get a green folder. This green folder has your login information that you'll need to use to get onto your Chromebook every time that you need to log in. And there's also a lot of papers in here. Now, most of these papers, I will explain to you how we're going to use them once we start learning. So, parents, you can look through them. There is a copy of our schedule and what we're going to do this year. This being the Cruiser Digital Academy, we are going to do online learning. So we will have live sessions where we meet through Google Meets and also independent time where students will be working on their own. So there is a schedule that you can look through, parents, and let me know if you have any questions. I do use Class Dojo and email. So I have included in the folder a Class Dojo invite. If you were in Mr. Ray's or Miss Laura's classroom last year, I have actually already invited you. So you should see that I am already the teacher of the dojo class. My email is jamie.hayes@gocruisers.org. That's also a great way to reach me. Um, Again, you'll see the schedule. What we do is we will meet every day through Google Classroom. The Google Classroom, which you can set up. I've already invited each student. You can set up on their Chromebook, and we will meet every day at 9 o'clock to start our day. And there are different live sessions throughout the day where I'll be teaching kids through Google Meets. The other program that kids will be using the most is called Clever, which is again already on the Chromebooks, and kindergartners used it last year. It will be a place where students can find all of the programs and different things that they will need to use for their online learning. Um, there are also a lot of resources in here that we're going to use. My suggestion to you is before we start school is maybe set up an area where the students can do their online learning every day. Um, they're going to need materials, so it'll be great to have a specific area where they can keep those materials. So if it's a desk, this it can be left out. If it's an area that you need to use, like your kitchen table, you could put the things in a box so that they're always there and that the students can be prepared to have the things they need. Some of the things you'll find is whiteboards that we're going to get. The bag also has dry erase markers and pencils and different things that the students will need to use. And here is a Google Meet procedure, which I will go over this with the students, but it would be great for you to do that before we meet as well. The other side kind of tells how to take care of our Chromebooks so that we can keep them safe, so that we can use them all year for our learning. There are a few other things in the folder that you can look through and see. I do ask that any workbooks that you see in there, because you'll find a journal, a phonics workbook, some math workbooks, go ahead and look at those, but wait to use those until we start learning together. Again, I'm looking forward to an awesome year online. We're going to see each other every day through Google Meets, and I can't wait. I'm so excited to learn about you, and you get to learn about me. I actually have a family. I'm married to my husband, Wes, and I have two sons. You're going to hear about them a lot. Everett, who is also a first grader this year, and then I have Clark, who's a 4-year-old and will be going to preschool this year. So you're going to hear a lot about them because I talk about them a lot. So I can't wait to meet you. Again, the time will be September 8th at 9 o'clock. Log into your Google Classroom. We'll have a Google Meet and we'll get started on our exciting year. Bye.